Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to be doing a sizing on the Orion pulse arc welder. So come on and join me at the bench.
I know this ring needs to come down to a size 7. So the first step is going to be figure out what size it is currently, and it looks like it's an 8. Now that I know that I need to reduce it by one size, I'll use an adjustable set of dividers and the measuring chart built into my ring manual to measure out how much material needs to be removed from the band. Once I've got that, I'll mark off the band itself. With my marks in place, it's time to saw out the necessary material. Once the correct amount of material is removed, I'll use a flat file to true the new edges. Next, I'll use a set of nylon jaw half-round pliers to reshape the band to its intended size. And then it's on to the Orion 200i2 pulse arc welder. Keeping a constant pressure on the ring, I'll begin welding the band back together. You can see how each pulse causes material to collapse downward to form the weld pool, leaving a slight dip in the band. I'll fill that channel back in with 14 karat gold wire. After a quick trip through the acid cleaning solution, it's time to reshape the band. I'll use my flat file again to shape the outside. And a fine cut barrel burr for the inside. Next, I need to put the false channel back into the bottom of the band. I'll use my saw and a fine cut file to do that. I'll use an ultra fine grit sanding stick to remove the file marks I left before on the outside of the ring. And a special sandpaper bit in my handpiece to do the same for the inside. Finally, I'll use the large polishing wheel to put a high polish on the ring. Check that out. After a trip through both the ultrasonic and a rhodium bath, this is what we've got.
Alright guys, so that's how easy it is to size a ring with the Orion pulse arc welder. Thanks for joining us today. As always, like and subscribe please. It helps us greatly. And then any comments that you have down below, just write them for us so that we can see them. Do appreciate it. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time at the bench.